Hi everyone, Andre here, Wealth Wingman of Team ProsperUs. Okay, so today I'll be going over LFX, so leverage FX. Okay, so once you actually launch the trade ticket, all right, you'll see that the immediate trade ticket is quick trade. So that basically means that these are kind of already standardized in lots, however, in standard lots. If you do want to change that, quickly move over to a market or limit order. All right. So as you can see for this 100,000 USD for $CIMB, you can actually put the price. And at the bottom here, as you can see, under the details, we do not actually charge any commissions for FX trades. All right. So below the initial margin you have available, so that's how much margin that you have. The initial margin impact of this trade is 5,000. So essentially it's 5% margin. All right. And below the maintenance margin impact, which is how much you actually require to hold the position, is, as you can see, 2.5%. All right. So to go into greater detail, all right, click on the I here at the bottom to see trading conditions. So as I mentioned previously, there are no commissions for FX trades. Okay, it's spreads only. So you can see here that the spread is about 1.3 pips for $CIMB. All right. The Tonex rollover and swaps are at the below rate here to be applied. Okay, so if you go over the cost here, you can key in the amount, the holding period, and what will happen is the indicative charges will then be shown to you at the bottom here. All right, so as you scroll further down, you can see that there's certain assumptions made, so please do have a read on that before you proceed to execute your trade order. Last but not least, under the instrument tab here, you'll be able to see that the margin exposures are tiered. So as you actually have a wider exposure in FX, you will see that the initial and the maintenance margin will increase, all right? So do take note. There are also maximum exposure limits, okay? And also a minimum trade size, okay, of a micro lot. All right? So below you will see the trading times for FX. So it's typically 24/5, okay, but do take note of the timings available here in the trading conditions. All right. Should you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our ProsperUs team. We'll be happy to assist you. And that's pretty much it for this section of the product mechanics for FX. Thank you very much.